Yesterday our bot caught a plus $1.85 trade on Sportfunusdt, and I know that doesn't sound like life-changing money, but stick with me, because the asterisk way asterisk it happened is exactly what separates algo trading from gambling. Sportfunusdt is one of those low-cap altcoins that most traders ignore. And honestly, that's the point. When the broader market was consolidating and liquidity was thin, SportFUN started showing a very specific pattern. Price had pushed up into a resistance zone, volume was fading, and the order book was getting lopsided on the sell side. The smart money wasn't buying. The token had been in a slow bleed for several candles, and the momentum indicators were quietly rolling over. This isn't hindsight. The data was there in real time. Most people just aren't looking at it systematically. That's where the bot came in. At $0.025320, the system flagged a sell entry. Not because someone had a gut feeling, not because some influencer tweeted about it, but because a set of conditions were met simultaneously. We're talking about price action rejecting a key level, RSI showing overbought divergence, and volume failing to confirm any bullish continuation. When all three of those line up on a low-cap asset with thin liquidity, the probability of a downward move goes up significantly. The bot doesn't hesitate, doesn't second-guess, doesn't check Twitter. It sees the setup, it executes, and it manages the risk automatically with a predefined stop loss already baked in before the trade even opens. Now here's where it gets interesting, the exit. The trade ran for about 4 hours and 50 minutes. $0.025320 down to $0.024206. That's a drop of just over 4.5% on the price. The system had TP1 set as the first take-profit target, and when price hit that level, it triggered. But notice the close type, TP1 then SL. What that means is the bot scaled out at TP1, locked in profit on part of the position, then moved the stop loss to protect the remaining trade. Price eventually pulled back and hit that adjusted stop, closing the rest. The final result, $1.85 profit for 39% return. Clean, mechanical, repeatable, and that's the real takeaway here. 4% in under 5 hours on a trade that was planned before it opened. No panic, no watching the chart every 30 seconds, no should I hold or should I sell anxiety. The rules were defined in advance. The bot followed them. The outcome is what it is, and over hundreds of trades. That consistency compounds. One bad trade doesn't wipe you out because the stop loss was already there. One good trade doesn't make you overconfident because the system doesn't care about ego. This is what systematic trading actually looks like in practice. Not every trade is a home run. This one made $1.85. But multiply that kind of disciplined execution across dozens of signals a week, and you start to see how the math works in your favor over time, something gut feel trading almost never delivers. If you want to follow these trades live, every entry, every exit, every result, go to Vishmaster. Live. We post the real numbers, win or lose, no cherry picking. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button now because we break down these bot trades regularly and show you exactly what the system is seeing and why. See you in the next one.